Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Georgette. Yes, welcome for another video. How y'all doing out there today? So guys, if you're new to me, my name is Georgette and I strive to inspire and motivate all of you guys as I do myself. So guys, today I'm out and today's actually my pamper day. Today is my pamper day and I want to share it with all of you, especially for my ladies. You know, ladies, we tend to cook, we tend to clean, we take care of the family, we do the homework, and we tend to lack ourselves. For me, this is the first for the year. So I've been doing a lot of heavy stuff and I didn't want to break my nails. So from the holidays, I haven't done my nails. I haven't done anything. So my nails are like really needing to be done. So today is my feet and my fingers day today. I do need a massage. I will schedule that as well. So I want to take you along with me and to let you know that take a minute and pamper yourself, and it doesn't take a lot of money. Do you know that I use sea salt and coconut oil for my scrub, or regular salt? I fill up a jar and I put the coconut oil and I scrub my lips and my body, and it just gets rid of all the dead skin. It does. And so, but it's a conscious decision that you have to make, that you will take care of yourself. I promise myself that I will take care of me, because if you take care of you, you will not look on the exterior of you for someone to do it for you. And that's what I have decided, to really take care of me. And so guys, I'm going on the inside and I'll share with you my pamper day all day today. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my Pamper Day with me. Thank you for watching. Come back again. Hope you liked the nails, the feet. Ladies, we must take care of ourselves because we do tend to like ourselves and take care of others, the children, the husband, like I said, the cooking and everything. And we lack ourselves. Remember to pamper yourself, ladies. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, this is the time to please smash the subscribe in, like, and share. And in my links below, I have a free gift for you, and I have a step-by-step guide to self-care, reprogramming the mindset, and also I'm going to leave videos popping up for your watching pleasure. Please continue watching. It's your girl Georgette, send you love and light. Mwah! Bye-bye.